Welcome back to Busted Knuckle Garage. Today we're going to tackle something a little bit different. We're going to do a headlight restoration comparison. So, off the shelf, you can buy turtle wax kit. This is a 2-in-1. It does the job okay, however the results don't last as long as I would like. And a trick that I'd learned off another detailer was to use Mother's Mag and aluminium polish. This actually works better, it lasts longer, and it's generally cheaper than the 2-in-1 kit or the other kit that I'd purchased a couple of years ago. Was on sale. Honestly, it's a waste of money. However, if that's all you've got access to, either one of those two kits will do you. Just don't expect it to last too long. I'd done it once before when I purchased the car 2 years ago. Since then I've done the headlights once with the Mother's aluminium polish. I'm going to do another one today, and then eventually when I replace the driver's side guard that's been damaged, I'm going to take the headlights out, sand them back, and then hit them with a clear coat. But for now I figured I will make a quick little video and do a comparison of the two. So what I'm going to do is, on this side I'm going to use the turtle wax, and on the driver's side I'm going to use the Mother's aluminium polish. Let me know what you think at the end, and yeah, we'll take it from there. Alright, so first up we're going to use turtle wax, headlight cleaner and sealant. Alright, so that's just after one quick pass. Already noticeably better. Although you can see, being plastic, all the little stone chips, and it's been peppered over the years. It is a 99 model car, so it's what, 21 years old? Not really a big fan of plastic headlight lenses. So this one, obviously untouched. Now, previously to cleaning them, I did just spray it down with some soapy water solution, wiped it down, got as much of the gunk off as possible. But like I said, they're going to come off and be sanded and then resprayed with a clear coat. I will make a video of that too, but I just figured, for those of you who don't like the hazing and the fogging and yellowing, and don't necessarily have a have any sandpaper, all the time, tools, knowledge to go pulling it apart, taking your headlights out, all I'd suggest you do is tape off like I have around the seals, around the edges of the paintwork and body panels, just so you don't get too much of the polish slinging into the gaps. And next up we will use the mothers. And I've used this over the last few years on multiple cars. As I said, I did pick this tip up off another detailer, and he told me that he's never wasted his money buying any headlight restoration kits, although it won't last forever. You will have to do it every few months. I believe last time I'd done these headlights was about a year ago. Yeah, I mean, short of taking your headlights out, sanding them back, you know, wet rub sandpaper, 800, 1000, 1200, 2000. You can really go all the way up as much as you want. You just got to make sure when you're sanding them that you clean them properly in between, switching between different grits of sandpaper. This stuff is a little bit more messy. It will most likely sling this all over myself and the body panels, but yeah. I think I paid like $12 for this, and for that kit I believe I paid something like $19 or $20. And I will switch to the microfiber pad for this one, just so I'm not mixing different chemicals. Alright, so here's the final result. Now bear in mind that neither one of these have got any kind of sealant on it. Now there is a product by 303 Industries. They make all kinds of UV sealants. You can use it on your dash, your headlights. People have used them on their tires or your plastic trims. It will protect it from fading and going yellow. However, I don't have any, so tomorrow morning I might run out to Super Cheap Auto or Repco and grab a bottle. From memory, it was 303 Aerospace Industries. So I'll end up coming back and doing a comparison with this over time, being in the sun, seeing how they fade compared to one another. So the driver's side is the mother's mag and aluminium polish, and the passenger side is done with the Turtle Wax Headlight Restoration Kit, 2-in-1. Personal preference, I'm only using the Turtle Wax here as a comparison because I've got it. However, I will try to avoid it as much as possible, but it's one of those things that comes in handy just to keep. Alright guys, so that's it for today's episode. Leave a like if you liked it, dislike if you didn't, comment, share, subscribe, all of that jazz, and I'll catch you in the next episode.